one of the biggest challenge we have as an organization is always the alignment of business risk with IT risk. These two, most of the time when I first started, is not aligned. So when I first started BCM, I had problem talking to business, talking to IT side, data center side even. They will always have something not the same, which we call RTO. Okay, it's a time of turnover actually, in simple terms. So the data center will say, hey, sorry, my system takes 24 hours to recover. While the business say, no, the next hour I want it to be up, So they are not aligned. So that resulted in a lot of operational failures. So one of the key aspects when we start a BCM is to make sure we are able to align. On top of identify risk, business risk with IT risk together, we also need to know what are the mitigation measures, what are the strategies. Because it all subject also to each organization's appetite for risk.
Yeah, and really we are much more of facilitating this internal conversation. It's not always a pretty conversation. It can get very ugly, right? Yeah, arguments and all, because everyone is trying to fight for their interests. So it is a matter of how do we approach this to balance out, what you need, what I need, and what the end customer needs. Yeah.
There are a few, even I call it bigger challenge, fundamental challenge. First one will be talking about the recognition, endorsement from the top management. Sad to say, a lot of organizations, top management do not behold BCM. For banking sector, a lot easier thanks to the government, MBS. We hope more organizations or sectors can have more mandatory guidelines, such as the finance sectors. It makes things a lot easier. What MAS would do is based on the guideline, they enforce it on the responsibility of the top man, the CEO, to enforce the plan down. Otherwise, it's very hard to drive actually.